Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. So today I will teach about parabola. So in parabola we also use the CTS. So CTS tu jangan dilupakan, completing the square. So before that you need to know what is parabola. So what is parabola? Parabola is the locus of a moving point such that its distance from a fixed point F, so this one, a fixed point F, and a fixed line L, so this one, fixed line L, which is directrix, are equal. So this one, point, moving point. So point ni akan bergerak membentuk satu parabola. So dia bergerak dengan syarat jarak antara point dengan fokus dan point dengan directrix ni sentiasa sama. So dia akan membentuk satu parabola. So the point that you need to know is, ni tak ada R, ni salah. So the point that you need to know is this one, focus, vertex and directrix. So focus inside the curve, vertex at the end of the curve, and directrix is outside the curve. And the distance between vertex and focus, this one, and the distance between vertex and directrix are always same. So jarak antara fokus dan vertex dan directrix sentiasa sama. So kalau kat sini ni 3, so atas ni pun 3. If the distance here 3, here also 3. So the distance here also 3. If the distance here 3. So next. So actually there are 4 types of parabola. And the standard form of the equation of parabola for each type are different, berbeza lah. Cuma the pattern is almost same lah. Pattern dia sama je. So first we have open upward. So open upward, see this one. So dia bentuk dia senyum. So sama macam kuadratik. Siapa yang belajar kuadratik dulu, dia senyum. Alright. So for the open upward, so here is the vertex. So vertex at the end of the curve, and here is focus inside the curve, and directrix is outside the curve, and the distance here and here are same. Here P and here also P. And the standard equation of the open upward parabola is x minus h power of 2 equal to 4p in bracket y minus k, where h, k are coordinates of vertex. Coordinates untuk vertex. So coordinate of vertex. So if here negative, here negative, so we take the opposite sign. So sama dalam circle dulu. So kalau kita akan ambil simbol yang negatif. So vertex ni saya salah hijau. So if negative we take positive, if positive we take negative, and P is distance from vertex to focus. So vertex to focus or distance from vertex to directrix. So distance from vertex to directrix. So same for open downward. So open downward, so bentuk dia lebih kurang. So focus inside the curve, vertex at the end of the curve, and directrix outside the curve. And the standard form is almost same, only the difference here is negative. So negative kat sini. So sedih dia negatif. And one more thing, dia berkaitan masam dan senyum kan. So dia lebih kurang sama dengan kuadratik. So before that, sebelum ni korang belajar kuadratik, the power of 2 is at x. So power of 2 is at x. So here inside is x minus h. So another 2, for another 2, open to the right and open to the left. So tengok, inside the power of 2 is y minus k. So nak hafal dia, tengoklah ni. So tadi saya cakap yang atas senyum dan masam dia berkaitan dengan kuadratik. So kalau kuadratik dulu yang ada kuasa 2 adalah x. So bila x kat dalam ni x lah, untuk ingat lah. Okay, so untuk ingat. Dan senyum dia positif, masam dia negatif. Okay, so this one, another two, open to the right and open to the left. Okay, so open to the right, focus here inside the curve, vertex at the end, directrix outside the curve. Okay, so open to the right. Okay, so dia open to the right. Okay, so curve dia ni buka pergi ke kanan. Okay, so open to the right is here positive, and here open to the left, here is negative. Okay, so same, HK is coordinate of vertex and P is the distance from vertex to focus or distance from vertex to directrix. Okay, so dan lagi satu, kalau korang tengok kedudukan fokus dan vertex ni sentiasa segaris. Okay, so segaris. Okay. Here also same, segaris. Okay, so segaris. This one also segaris. Kedudukan dia sentiasa segaris. Okay, so ni korang kena tahulah, sebab nanti kan soalan dia suruh cari fokus macam mana, vertex macam mana. Because from the equation we only know vertex and the distance. Okay, so nanti fokus dengan directrix ni kalau nak cari dia kena sama ada tambah ataupun tolak. Okay, so nanti kita tengok soalan. Okay, so example, given x plus 2 power of 2 equal to, this is not 4p, this one change into 8. Okay, so x plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8 times by 3 minus y, and find the vertex, focus and directrix. Okay, so before that, tengok ni. Okay, so kalau standard form dia, x kat depan, y dekat depan, variable pemboleh ubah dia dekat depan. But here 3 minus y at back, so therefore you need to rearrange this one. Okay, so you have here x plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8 minus y, so 3, this one there is no symbol, so positive 3. Okay, so next, the symbol of the for the variable must be positive. Kalau kita tengok tadi, okay, so tengok tadi, so y positive, x also positive, here also x positive. Okay, so open upward and downward, x positive, y positive, and here x positive and y positive. But in this example, y is negative. So how to do? So you need to factor out negative. Okay, so buat keluar negative, so become negative 8. So inside this one, so negative already out, become only y, and this one positive 3 become negative 3. Okay, so sebab buat keluar negative, so negative times by negative is positive. Okay, so positive buat keluar negatif jadi negatif, kalau negatif buat keluar negatif jadi positif. Okay, okay, so next we need to find vertex. Okay, so vertex is this one positive 2, so we take the opposite, which is negative 2, and this one is negative 2, we take the opposite, which is positive 3, and then we find p. Okay, so p we need to find from this one, so this one actually negative 4p, so calculate here, negative 4p is equal to negative 8, so 4p is equal to 8, so p is equal to 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, so sini negative p, so negative p negative 4p lah. Kalau sini positive 8, so dia positive 4p equal to positive 8. Okay, so lagi satu sebenarnya you need to detect first, what is the shape of this parabola. Okay, so this one the power of 2 is on x, so if on x the shape is sama ada masam ataupun masam ataupun senyum, and here is negative, therefore the shape of this parabola is masam lah. Okay, so if masam, you have the standard form of the parabola, standard equation of the parabola, which is x minus h power of 2 equal to negative 4p y minus by k. Okay, so therefore compare this one and this one. Okay, so you have negative 4p equal to negative 8. Okay, so calculate, we have p equal to 2. Okay, so next vertex kita dah cari. Next we need to find focus and directrix. Okay, so to find focus and directrix, so we need to know the position. Just now we know the shape is masam, so therefore the focus is here in below the vertex. So this one is vertex, so focus below the vertex, and directrix is above the vertex. Okay, so how to find the focus? Tengok dia yang segaris. So segaris ni naik atas bawah kan, so turun ataupun naik kan. So bila berkaitan atas bawah macam ni, okay, so bila dia macam ni, dia berkaitan dengan paksi y, betul. Okay, so bila berkaitan dengan paksi y, so the thing that you need change only the y coordinate from the vertex. Okay, so vertex we have just now is negative 2 and 3. Okay, so berkaitan dengan paksi y, so you need only change the y coordinate. So focus is equal to, okay, so focus inside the curve which is below the vertex. So if below the vertex, so we do negative 2 3 minus by p. Okay, so 3 tolak 2, which is negative 2 1. Okay, so bawah, so bila dia turun bawah kita tolak lah. Bila dia naik ke atas, ni dia naik ke atas, directrix ke atas kan. So from vertex up 2 point. Okay, so p, distance from vertex and directrix is 2, and distance from vertex to focus is also 2. Okay, so jarak dia 2. Okay, so focus turun bawah, so meaning that koordinat y dia kita tolak 2. Directrix naik atas, so directrix naik atas, so y dia kita tambah 2. Okay, so for the directrix, okay, so directrix dia bukan dalam bentuk koordinat. So since it is berkaitan dengan paksi y, so y is equal to 3 plus by 2, so y equal to 5. Okay, so next sketch the graph to show all the above points. Okay, so kita nak tunjukkan semua point-point tu lah. Okay, so we have this one x-axis. So the coordinate of the vertex is negative 2 3. This one y-axis, x-axis, so negative 2 let's say here, and 3 is here. Okay, so negative 2 3 here. Okay, so bentuk dia masam. Okay, so masam, we do like this. Okay, so the focus is negative 2 1. So let's say here 1, so here focus, and here vertex, and directrix is y equal to 5. So this one directrix, y equal to 5, vertex which is negative 2 3, and this one is focus which is negative 2 1. Okay, dah siap. Okay, so next, okay, so this one, given the equation y equal to 8x power of 2, find the standard form of the parabola and the vertex and the equation of directrix, and hence sketch the parabola with the correct vertex and directrix. Okay, so we have y equal to 8x square. Okay, so first detect the shape of the parabola. Okay, so kita tengok kat sini, the power of 2 is on x. Okay, so therefore the shape is masam ataupun senyum. Okay, and then Macam mana? Okay, so kat mana 4P dia? So kita susunlah dulu. Ataupun since this one quadratic kan, so kalau quadratic, coefficient of x square is, this one is positive, so therefore the shape is senyum lah. Okay, so if the shape bentuk dia senyum, so we have the standard form of the parabola, which is x minus h power of 2 is equal to 4p y minus k. Okay, so kita kena susun macam ni, x minus h power of 2. Okay, so in front of the power 2, this one coefficient here is 1, but here is 8, so therefore 8 you need to bring to the left. Okay, so therefore you have x square equal to 1 over 8y. Okay. So tak nampak pun mana tolak h tolak k ni, tak nampak lah, sebab this one you can write down as x minus 0 power of 2 equal to 1 over 8 y minus by 0. Okay, okay, so therefore vertex is equal to 0 0 and 4p is equal to so tadi kita dah tahu dia punya standard equation dia 4p, so jangan ambil negative 4p. Okay, so 4p is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, so therefore p is equal to 1 over 8 divided by 4, which is 1 over 32. Okay, okay, so next vertex. Okay, so the equation of directrix. Okay, so equation of directrix. Okay, so we know here the shape is senyum macam ni. So at the end of this curve is vertex V. Okay, so directrix outside the curve. So maksudnya dia turun ke bawah. Okay, so bila berkaitan macam ni, naik turun, apa yang kita ubah? Kita ubah paksi y. Okay, okay, so dia berkaitan dengan paksi y. So ubah paksi y. So therefore equation of directrix is y equal to, so coordinate of y from vertex is 0 plus plus pula minus, sebab dia turun ke bawah. Okay, so turun ke bawah minus 1 over 32. Okay, so we have y equal to negative 1 over 32. Okay, so next we sketch the parabola. X axis and y axis. Okay, so the vertex is at 0 0 and the shape is smile. Okay, so buat senyum. So here is directrix. Y equal to negative 1 over 32 and this one is vertex. Letak dia macam ni. Okay, so vertex equal to 0 0. Okay, so kena level setiap point-point tu. Next question, sketch the graph of a parabola 2y square plus 8y minus 16x minus equal to 0 and hence state the vertex, focus and the directrix line. Okay, okay, so first we need to transform this equation into the standard form of parabola. Okay, so here since the quadratic is on y, okay, so the quadratic on y, okay, here power of 2 is on y, so therefore the shape of the parabola, it is whether open to the left or open to the right. Okay, okay, so next what we need to do, so we need to do completing the square. Okay, so 2y square plus 8y is equal to 16x plus by 8. Okay, so this one there is no square, 16x and plus 8, so there is square, so I move it into to the right. Okay, so I left the left side only y. Okay, so to the completing square, we need to make sure the coefficient of y square must be 1, but here is 2. Therefore, all of this one we need to divide by 2. Okay, 2y square divided by 2 become y square. Positive 8y divided by 2 is positive 4y. And 16x divided by 2 is 8x. And positive 8 divided by 2 is positive 4. Okay, so next, do the completing square. So we have here y square plus 4y plus 1 bracket power of 2 and then minus another bracket power of 2 is equal to 8x plus 4. Okay, so this one, inside the bracket we put the coefficient of y, which is positive 4, and then divide by 2. Here also same, positive 4 divided by 2. Okay, so next we have here y square plus 4y plus positive 4 divided by 2 is positive 2, power of 2 and then minus positive 4 divided by 2 also same, which is 2. Power of 2 is equal to 8x plus by 4. Okay, so next make one bracket power of 2. Inside the bracket we put y and then positive 2. Next, this one minus, so minus 2 power of 2 is 4 equal to 8x plus 4. So next, so this one negative 4 bring to the right become positive 4. So positive 4 plus by 4. So we have here y plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8x plus 4 plus by 4. So therefore we have here y plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8x plus by 8. Okay. So next, so here is 8x in the standard form, we have 1x. Okay, so x minus by h. Okay, so this one 8, so you need to factorize it. Okay, so factor out 8. So y plus by 2 power of 2 is equal to, okay, so factor out 8, so we have 8. So inside the bracket, this one already take out 8, only left x, and this one is 1. Okay, so this is the standard form of the parabola. Okay, okay, so kita tengok sini y plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8x plus by 1. Okay, so here in front of x1, this one is positive 8. Since it is positive, so therefore the shape of the parabola is open to the right. Okay, so dia buka ke kanan sebab dia positif kat sini. So therefore the standard form of the parabola we have x minus k power of 2 is equal to negative 4p x minus h. Okay, so next we have the vertex. Vertex is equal to, okay, so this one coordinate of x, here positive 1, so we take here negative 1, and then coordinate of y is negative 2. Directrix, since it is open to the right, so directrix is here outside, so the left side of the vertex, this one is vertex. Okay, so directrix left side of the vertex, and focus is on the right side of the vertex. Okay, so nampak garisan dia secara mendata, nampak dia mendata kan. So bila mendata berkaitan dengan paksi x. Okay, so therefore for the focus we only change the coordinate of x, negative 1. Okay, since it is on the right side of the vertex, so we plus by p. Okay, so before that p we didn't search it right, so this one I make mistake. Okay, so open to the right should be positive 4, so positive 4p. Okay, okay, so next find the value of p. Okay, so from this one we have 4p equal to 8. Okay, so therefore P is equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Okay, so therefore focus equal to negative 1 plus by 2 negative 2, which is equal to 1 and negative 2. Directrix. Okay, so directrix is X. Okay, so mendata berkaitan dengan X. So X is equal to coordinate X of vertex, which is negative 1. And since it is on the left side of vertex, so we minus by P. So P is 2, which is equal to negative 3. Okay, now we already have the vertex, focus and directrix. So we draw the parabola, sketch the parabola. Okay, so put the vertex is negative 1 and negative 2. So here negative 1 and here is negative 2. So this one is vertex. Focus 1 and negative 2. Here 1 and here negative 2. So this one focus. And directrix is X equal to negative 3. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So X equal to negative 3. So next, draw the parabola. Okay, so ni dia nak potong ke bawah ke nak potong ke atas? So tengok dekat at the y axis. So this one X equal to 0. So we have this one y plus 2 power of 2 is equal to 8. X0 plus 1. So we have y plus by 2 power of 2 is equal to 8. So y plus by 2 is equal to square root of 8. And y plus by 2 and y here 8. So y is equal to square root of 8 minus by 2. Okay, so square root of 8 we have positive, negative. Okay? So therefore we will have two value. One is negative and one more is positive. Okay? So ni nanti kalau kira korang akan dapat satu jawapan positif, satu jawapan negatif. Okay, so negative side is here. So yang negative, y negative. So y positive in here. Okay, so therefore the shape of the parabola it is like this. So dia potong ke atas lah, bukan ke bawah. Okay. So this one focus here is vertex and directrix here. Okay, so focus 1, negative 2. Vertex is one vertex. So vertex is negative 1, negative 2. Okay, so finish. Okay, so next question. Find the equation of a parabola which is symmetry about the x-axis. Okay. So parabola tu simetri kepada x-axis lah. Okay, so maksudnya bentuk dia sama ada macam ni, y-axis macam ni kan mendata. So parabola tu akan membentuk open to the left, to the right or open to the left. Okay. So dia mendata ni. Kalau macam ni, dia symmetry about the y-axis lah. Okay, so this one symmetry symmetric about y-axis. Okay, so this now which is symmetry about the x-axis and has its vertex at the origin and passes through 4, 2. Okay, so this is coordinate of 4, 2. And the vertex of the parabola is 0, 0. Okay, so therefore we have parabola open to the right. Okay? So if open to the right, the standard form of the parabola is y minus by h power of 2 is equal to 4p x minus by k. Saya terbalik. Y minus by k. Okay, so y minus by k power of 2 is equal to 4p x minus by h. Okay, so put the coordinate of the vertex. So vertex is 0, 0. Okay, so vertex at the origin. So origin, this one is 0, 0. So we have y minus 0, which is y power of 2 equal to 4p x minus by 0 is x. So y square equal to 4p x. Okay, so macam nak cari p? So the parabola passing through point 4, 2. Okay, so dia melalui titik 4, 2. So 4 is coordinate for x, 2 is coordinate for y. So just substitute this point into y square equal to 4p x. Okay? So 2 power of 2 equal to 4p times by x, which is 4. Okay, so 2 power of 2 is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16p. Okay, so p equal to 4 divided by 16, which is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so therefore the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4 times by 1 over 4 times by x. Okay, so therefore we have y square equal to 4 times by 1 over 4 is 1. 1 times by x is x. Okay, so the equation is y square equal to x. Okay, so next, find the standard form of the parabola with vertex at negative 2, 3 and focus 0, 3. Okay, so ini parabola negative 2, 3 and 0, 3. Okay, so tengok yang tak berubah adalah y, betul? So 3, 3. Okay, so bila y tak berubah bermaksud dia mendata lah. Okay, so dia mendata dekat 3. Okay, so this one y equal to 3. Okay, so the vertex is negative 2, 3. So negative 2, 3 here, vertex, this one vertex, and focus is 0, 3. So 0, 3 here focus. Okay, so bila nampak vertex kat sini, focus kat sini, focus is always inside the curve. Okay, so therefore the shape of the parabola is open to the right. Okay, so if open to the right, so the standard form of the equation of the parabola is y minus by k power of 2 is equal to 4p x minus by h. Okay, so k is, vertex is negative 2, 3. So k is negative 3. So y minus by 3 power of 2 is equal to 4p x minus by h is negative 2. Okay, so we have here y minus 3 power of 2 equal to 4p x plus by 2. Okay, so macam nak cari p? So p is the distance from the vertex to the focus. So berapa jarak dia ni? So here is negative 2. Okay, so negative 2, 3. Okay, so titik negative 2, 3 ni. So here is 3, y3, and x is negative 2. Focus is 0, 3. So here 3 and here 0. Okay, so therefore we can see here the distance here is 2. Betul? So jarak dia 2. Okay, so therefore p is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore the standard equation of the parabola is 4 times by 2 x plus 2. Okay, so we have here y minus by 3 square equal to 8 times by x plus 2. Okay, dah siap. Okay, next. Okay, dah habis dah. Okay, so that's all for this for today lesson. Okay, so see you next time. Assalamualaikum and thank you.